Burco is the aftermarket leader in providing quality products and solutions for broken side view mirrors. The following video equips you with easy-to-use instructions for installing your Burco replacement mirror. Reference the install code on your mirror glass replacement box. Replacing a damaged side view mirror can be performed in 5 easy steps using a Burco mirror glass replacement. You will need these tools to install your Burco replacement mirror. Please follow industry-accepted recommendations for personal safety. Remove all existing broken glass and adhesive from the mirror's plastic frame and backing plate. Thoroughly clean the backing plate with rubbing alcohol. Test fit the mirror glass replacement before proceeding to the next step. Apply adhesive to the backing plate or mirror replacement. The paper backing must be removed to expose the adhesive. You may supplement with silicone for a stronger bond. The silicone will dry in 10 minutes and fully cure in 24 hours. Align and press the mirror glass replacement directly to the backing plate with firm, yet gentle pressure. Clean the installed Burco mirror glass replacement with glass cleaner. For additional information, visit burcoinc.com.